In this video, I'll guide you through how to add PayPal to eBay. Adding PayPal to your eBay account is a straightforward process that can make your buying and selling experience more convenient. With PayPal, you can securely send and receive payments, making transactions smoother and more secure. Let's dive right into the steps to get PayPal set up on your eBay account. First, you'll need to open your web browser and go to eBay's website by typing in ebay.com. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top of the page. On the top left, you'll see your profile name. Click on the drop-down menu that appears next to your profile name. This menu gives you access to various account options. Next, from the drop-down menu, click on Account Settings. You'll be redirected to a new page where you can manage and adjust various aspects of your eBay account. Here, you'll find options related to personal information, security settings, and payments. Now, on the Account Settings page, look for the section labeled Payment Information. Under this section, you'll see an option that says Payments. Click on it to proceed. This area is dedicated to managing how you pay for purchases and how you receive payments for items you sell. Once you're in the Payments section, you'll need to click on Add Cards and Accounts. This option allows you to link or add different payment methods to your eBay account, including your PayPal account, which we'll be focusing on in this guide. After clicking Add Cards and Accounts, you will see an option labeled Checkout. Click on it and then click Continue. This will guide you through the process of setting up your payment options for use during checkout when buying items on eBay. Next, you'll see a list of payment methods. Click on PayPal. PayPal is a widely used payment service that allows you to pay over the internet securely and conveniently. Connecting your PayPal account to eBay ensures that you can manage your transactions effortlessly. Once you've selected PayPal, click Continue. At this point, a new window will open, prompting you to sign into your PayPal account. You'll need to enter your PayPal credentials, which include your email address associated with PayPal and your password. Signing into PayPal allows eBay to securely link your accounts. And that's it! You've successfully added PayPal to your eBay account. Now you can enjoy the ease and security of using PayPal for all your eBay transactions. Whether you're buying or selling, having PayPal connected to your eBay account makes the process more streamlined and efficient. Remember, keeping your accounts secure is crucial. Ensure your passwords are strong and unique, and consider enabling two-factor authentication for additional security. If you encounter any issues while adding PayPal to eBay, both platforms offer customer support to help you resolve any problems. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to add PayPal to eBay. We hope it was helpful and easy to follow. Happy buying and selling, and enjoy the convenience of having PayPal linked to your eBay account.